Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be planning in the Erin Condren Academic Planner using the Happy Planner Gardening 1 sticker book. So I went ahead and picked out these stickers. I am really loving these three colors together. I think they're so pretty, and I didn't pick out any clear stickers. I think I'm gonna go this route, but you never know. But for now, this is what I have, and I think I wanted to start off by, let's go ahead and place this little quote sticker, and it just says, "Find the beauty in every day." So I think I want to put this one over here, but of course, since this is much bigger, it's just going to go a little bit on Tuesday, which is okay. So maybe right about there. I didn't want to do it all the way over here because then it would cover up the Tuesday, and I did not want that. And I think I just wanted to lay this sticker right over here just for that layering effect. So right there. And then I did want to place this arched box over on Tuesday. And of course, you know, I did have to trim off just a little bit from the bottom so it would fit here. So right about there. And then this other one is going to go on Thursday. So let's place it down here. All right, perfect. And let's see. I think I'm going to place this checklist over here on Monday. That way we mix it up between functional and some of the decorative stickers. So I think this brings a lot of functionality into the spread. So we did green, blue, and then we're going to do this color over here on Wednesday. That way we alternate. So right there. And on Friday, we'll go back to this color because we have the green here, and I didn't want to line it up with the blue. So this color is going to be perfect. And with these as well, you know, I did have to trim off just a little bit, but it's okay. And then these ones were going to indicate my videos for the week. So I need one for Wednesday. And let's go ahead and go with a green. So I'm thinking maybe this one, and I did want to layer it with this later. So I'm thinking maybe this one could go here, and then this just goes right on top. So just like that. And then for Friday's video, let's do the other green. Just because we have the blue, then the green, and then that color. So I think it does a pretty good job about alternating. So I'm thinking this one would go, well, I mean, let's try to at least get it a little bit straight. So let's try that again. Let's move this out of the way. And let's see. It's just hard for me to get anything straight. So right about there. Well, okay, I think it just needs to be moved just a tiny bit. Okay, so I think that looks much better. And then this one right on top. And then we'll go ahead and go with, let's do this one with the blue. And I'm going to go this way. So this one is going to go right about here. And then this can just go right on top. Perfect. And then we can do the blue one for Sunday's video, which is my Erin Condren Daily Petite. So this one could go right there. Perfect. All right. This looks so good already. And now I just wanted to go ahead and peek just a little bit and see if there was anything else that I wanted to add. I'm thinking I'm missing something over here on Tuesday and Thursday just because I don't have any videos that day, at least now, just because but I may have some actually, just because I do want to go ahead and film my monthly views. So I think I might do that on Tuesday, but I'm not sure. And maybe even then, for this week, I may receive my Erin Condren seasonal surprise box. I did end up ordering that one. So, of course, when I get it, I will do an unboxing of that. And that'll actually be my first seasonal box from Erin Condren. So I'm super excited about that. So once that comes in, I'll be sure to do that. So maybe that'll go out this week. Let's see. Am I liking this right here? It does have those greens and pinks, so it might be okay. But let's go ahead and trim it down just a little bit. Maybe right there. And then maybe we could do it on Thursday as well. So let's see how this would look. And this piece is shorter, so that does help. So maybe right there. And let's go ahead and put this little piece back. And that might be everything that I wanted to do. I don't think there was anything else. I didn't want to bring any clear stickers. I am really liking how this is looking. So I didn't want to incorporate any of those. And we do have some more of this washi. And I didn't want to add another quote or anything like that because these are full-sized boxes. So I think that's it. So let's go ahead and get rid of all of this. I am really liking the way that this turned out, especially because I didn't use any clear stickers. That's usually what I reach for the most, but this week I didn't want to use any of them. So I'm glad I found all these functional boxes, checklists, and even these arched boxes. They're super functional with a little bit of detail at the top. That is why I love these so much, because you get the best of both worlds. And then just a simple little quote over here. I think it looks really, really great. And just this washi, I think, was the perfect touch in the end. And I really like the way that this turned out. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.